In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Windows, and you're going to also know why the window is dark, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This is my current desktop preview, right? So just click on this, click on the settings, right? Wait for it to load up. Now click on the, I think, personalization here, right? Click on it, click on the colors, right? Right now from the color, you're gonna see choose your mode, right? Change the color that appears in Windows and your app. So if I select, it's currently in the light mode, right? If I select the dark mode, you're gonna see everything is gonna automatically change, right? From the display, from the taskbar, right? Like from everything actually, right? So you can see the taskbar is currently dark, right? So I can still come on here and change it to white if I want, right? So yeah, this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next video.